Yo, Mother's Day is literally right around the corner at the time that I'm recording this. And even though you may be seeing this at a later time, just keep this in mind for the next time Mother's Day rolls around, or it's your wife's birthday, it's an anniversary, your mother's birthday, it's the holiday, and you need a gift. But shout out to Jomashop. They have their annual Mother's Day sale going on. So I'm gonna give you a list of fragrances here. Some of these I've talked about before, some of these I have not talked about on the channel, and they're going to be cheap. And then some of these are gonna be a little bit more expensive, but I think everything here may be like under $200, if I'm not mistaken. Nonetheless, hey man, it's Mother's Day. You only get one. So you get one shot to get this right. But nonetheless, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. What's going on, party people, fat boy family? I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Do me a favor, feel free, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button. While you're at it, go ahead and click the bell so you're notified every single time I post content like this to the channel. But let's go ahead and jump right into today's video. All right, all of these fragrances will be listed. I'll have an overall general link you should just be able to go to and look at them all, and then I'll try to lay them out individually as well. But again, all of these specifically are coming from Jomashop. Number one, I want to start with what has become one of my mom's newest favorite. If you've heard me talking about my mom, she loves Mancera's Instant Crush, which I also recommend, which will be listed and tagged in this video as well. But one of her new favorites is based on that Bond No. 9 Tribeca. To me, I think it is Joe Milano's best work. You have heard me say that repeatedly. If this is your first time, I'm telling you, it's not their most popular, but I do think it's their best work as far as fragrance. But we have from the house of Joe Milano Paris, from their Game of Spades line, we have Royale. Again, this is based on that beautiful Bond No. 9 Tribeca DNA. A lot of people try to relate this in Greenwich Village. And the correspondent to that is Win to BR 540. I don't know where they get that from. Maybe there's a little bit there, but mostly what you get with this is this beautiful cacao, this hazelnut accord with some ambroxan. It's not too sweet, not too powdery. It's not too woody. Fellas, I love this on our skin, on my skin in particular, as well. This, even though it's probably more suited, you know what I'm saying, for fall and wintertime cooler weather, you can definitely pull this off in the spring, and you can also pull this out in the summer because of how light it sits. When I say light, I'm saying it has an airy feel to it, but it is dense. It's not weak, it's not soft. This definitely projects, and if you don't know, ask my mama. I used to be able to say Instant Crush. People would always say, Jeanette, I can't see you, but I can smell you, so I know you was in the building. Now, before I even see her, this is what I smell. So this is a banger. Definitely get your nose on this one if you haven't already. Check this out. I think all of the Game of Spades, but I think this is like $55, $56 or whatnot. Again, you want to go ahead and order because Mother's Day is right around the corner. Y'all know shipping is crazy, so get your order in. But check this out, Game of Spades Royale. All right, this next fragrance is a banger that I have not talked about officially on the channel yet, but I have mentioned it in a couple of my live streams. Sleeper from the house of Rasi, we have Hawas, and this is Hawas Diva. This is based on Valentino's Born in Roma Intense, but the Donna version. You have this beautiful, I'm a sucker for lychee. So you got this fruity vanilla and amber. There's red fruits in here, this beautiful rose and lychee accord that give us that fruit. But there's also rhubarb in here, which I wasn't expecting, but the rhubarb gives it this kind of slight green, borderline vegetable. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Mike. She's a vegetable. You're a vegetable. Have y'all seen the movie yet? Nonetheless, but yo, this is super fire, sexy, and the performance on this is crazy. Crazy. This one, wear to church, dress this one up, Mother's Day brunch. I'm trying to tell you, she's going to stop the show. Everybody's going to stop her and be like, oh my God, what do you have on? Valentino Born in Roma Intense is one of my favorite fragrances. I like the Donna version. I don't think this is better, but I do prefer it to the OG. So check this out if you haven't already. This is Rasi, and that is Hawas Diva. All right, next on the list is a fragrance that is not a stranger to the channel. I have talked about this several times, and I think it is absolutely beautiful and perfect for anybody, but especially the mother, the mother-in-law, the godmother, your adopted mother in your life. From the house of Xerjoff, we have the re-release and this is Coro. You guys know, if you've been following the channel, I got a chance to smell this at La Perfumery in Crabtree in Raleigh, North Carolina, when it released last year or re-released. And this is a beautiful, fruity, floral fragrance. You got some pineapple, some mango, some jasmine, some fruits going on. It kind of puts you in the mind, you know, anytime you get these solid color bottles, this is not from the Duran Duran series, but it kind of puts you in the mind of some of that Herba Pure that you have going on. But this is much brighter, much lighter, much more refreshing, much more energizer. Imagine, like, you know, the refreshers that you're gonna get, you know what I'm saying, from a Starbucks. McDonald's has like refresher drinks now, you know what I'm saying? So not that thick, super syrupy, that heavy style of mango, pineapple, fruity DNA, but you're gonna get something much brighter, much more reminiscent of springtime, light, smiling, bright, fresh, airy. You know what I'm saying? How your mom makes you feel, especially when she cooked breakfast on a Saturday or Sunday morning. It put a smile on your face. It put a smile on your face. And shout out to everybody who may be experiencing their first Mother's Day without their mother, or you find this time of the year very difficult. My love, my heart, my prayers go out to you. This will be all of my moms, and then like my aunts, my uncles. You know, my grandmother died earlier this year. So this is going to be their first Mother's Day without their mom. And I know it's going to be a little bit difficult, but, you know, hopefully, you know, fragrance will help just ease the pain a little bit, create that scent memory, and give you something to attach to, so you can think of the happy moments and not so much the sad moments. And we can remember the times that they were here more than the times that we will have without them. But definitely Coro is one of those that will help you do that. So check this out if you haven't already, from the house of Xerjoff. This is Xerjoff Coro. Speaking of fruity floral fragrances, if your mom or that special woman in your life this time of the year, if they are a lover of fruity floral fragrances, then they're going to love this. And fellas, you might love it, because we ain't saying be cheap, but you know, you're gonna spend money on dinner, you're gonna spend money on flowers, you're gonna spend money on other gifts. You want to make sure you got enough in the budget to take care of everything. Shout out to Swiss Arabian. We have Shaghaf Nectar Blush, and this is one that I have talked about before on the channel. You've got pear, you've got black currant, you've got orange blossom, you've got jasmine, I think is in this. You got yuzu, I think is also in this. You got gardenia that I think is also in this, with a little bit of vanilla, musk, and some other things going on in the base. Listen, let's just cut to the chase. This smells like the color. You see the color, that beautiful rose gold, borderline mauve type of color. That's what this smells like. Nectar Blush, it just smells like the most beautiful fruit, you know what I'm saying, salad surrounded by flowers. Like, it smells like easy like Sunday morning. Mama, you know I love you. That's what this smells like. I'm not gonna get sentimental because I love my mama. Nonetheless, definitely this is worth checking out. Again, the gardenia, the yuzu, there's also like green apple in this as well. I love the way the apple and the pear come together to just create this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful fruit bomb. Has one of the most beautiful openings that I've ever smelled in a fragrance. But definitely, you should have gotten your nose in this already by now. But check this out if you haven't. We have from the house of Swiss Arabian in their Shaghaf line. This is Nectar Blush. Now, earlier I talked about Instant Crush, which a lot of people kind of refer to that BR540 DNA, you know, just a lot more stronger, you know what I'm saying? But if you want something that is still, like, people hate on BR540. I don't care. It smells amazing. But if you want something that's going to take the performance of that just over the top to the max, one of the best ones out there from a performance standpoint, from the house of Armaf, we have Club de Nuit Untold. This continues to be a bestseller from Armaf. There are people who sell this for like hundreds of dollars. There are people who literally, and now y'all out here committing highway robbery, you know what I'm saying? But that's how good it is. There are people who literally don't buy the MFK, you know what I'm saying, Baccarat Rouge anymore. There are people who legit buy this, and I know there are stores who be getting y'all. There are people on the street who be getting y'all because it's so much cheaper than what you're gonna pay for the OG. I don't think it's better in the OG. I think it is a slight bit more synthetic than the OG, but again, for what you're getting, for the performance, for the price, and for the smell, it's phenomenal. Like, this is why Armoff is Armoff. They did it with Club de Nuit Intense, man, you know, when they cloned Aventus, and they arguably have one of the better ones out there when it comes to that BR540. So I don't have to do a lot of explanation here. Just, if you need one that's never gonna fail, check this out. From the House of Armoff, we have Club de Nuit, and this is Untold. All right, this next fragrance is the epitome of give your mom her flowers while she can smell them. If you have a more mature or elder mom who was in love with white diamonds, but you're like me, you hate the smell of white diamonds. You want something that's more elevated. You want something that's more sophisticated. You want something that doesn't smell like Baptist. Check this out from Matiere, from the House of Matiere Premier. We have French Flower. I've talked about this a couple of times on the channel, but you get this beautiful pear, ginger, tuberose, and I think it's orange blossom, which are the star of the show. This is a phenomenal, stunning fragrance. Now, again, the tuberose is really going to be the star, but it's not that old, you know what I'm saying, white diamonds type of tuberose that can be off-putting. Yet, this is still for my more mature audience. Now, even if you're younger and you're a fan of tuberose and you're a little bit more sophisticated, if you like an elevated approach to French style perfumery, I think you can rock this as well. I think the pear and the ginger do a very great job of adding that fruitiness and that texture that keeps the tuberose grounded and keeps it from running away. But I absolutely love this fragrance. I think I've only probably worn this twice, because I had a sample of this before I actually bought this. And I wanted a full bottle, but I think I might actually gift this one. I don't know. My mom, I don't know. I gotta see. I'll see her this weekend. So I'm gonna spray something on her. I'm gonna get take my decant with me and see how she feels. But check this out if you haven't already. From the House of Matiere Premier, we have French Flower. Speaking of flowers, let's keep this thing rolling. If you're a mom, if your wife, if she's into like aromatherapy style fragrances, you know, that are just gonna put her in a very calm state of zen and peace. Beautiful fragrance that I love from one of my favorite houses, from the House of Goldfield and Banks, we have Pacific Rock Flower. And a lot of you may be familiar with Pacific Rock Moss, but this one I actually like better. You still get that slight aquatic saltiness, but there's also some eucalyptus here. There's also some tea here. There's also this beautiful peony note that really brings in the floral aspect. First of all, I do love the presentation. I do love, you know what I'm saying, the color of the bottle, but there's also some mimosa, a little bit of tuberose. Now the tuberose here is not like the tuberose that was in French Flower. The tuberose here is just more for coloring purposes, like paprika, to kind of add some texture and a little bit more presence in the florals, but it's not strong, it's not overpowering, it's not going to overtake it. And then there's a little bit of mossiness in this as well that you really don't expect, which is why I think this would be great for fellas as well. But fellas, we're not talking about you. Now, most of these, I wear them all. I've worn every single fragrance that I'm talking about. So at the end of the day, I know it's Mother's Day, but if you want to grab something for yourself, grab something for yourself as well. But check this out if you haven't already. Beautiful. Like, if you want the best of both worlds between slightly aquatic, slightly blue and floral at the same time, a little bit of woody aspect, because I think there's some cedar here also. Check this out from the House of Goldfield and Banks. We have Pacific Rock Flower. All right, and last but not least, this might be one of my favorite smelling fragrances out of the bunch. A lot of people have not talked about this. This is fire. From the House of Latafa, we have, I don't know if that's a word or not, but we're just gonna say Latafa Dalal. Yo, you talking fruity floral, apple, mandarin, orange, them yin yang twins, that ylang ylang. Borderline gourmand. I don't really consider this to be gourmand, but it's definitely, I gotta spray this one in the air. Definitely borderline. God, beautiful jasmine. If I'm not mistaken, I think this is the, well, you know, when 1 million started coming out with the new iteration of their 1 million gold line, I think this is the female version or whatnot. Vanilla, a little bit of musk, a little bit of oak moss in there as well. But the way the apple and the mandarin and the orange come together with that floral, the white floral, the yellow floral from the ylang ylang, this is a beautiful, this is a stunner. I don't understand why more people haven't talked about this. This is kind of gone under wraps, but Latafa definitely did their thing with this one. So, and just from a presentation standpoint, you know, your mom is absolutely gonna love that bottle when she sees it. So check this out if you haven't already. From the house of Latafa, we have Dalal. All right, and that's the list. Like I said, everything is listed down in the description. So partake if you must. Definitely some great deals out there. But yeah, let me know if you have any of these, if you've put your nose on any of these, if you've gifted any of these to your mother, your wife, or whoever you're celebrating this Mother's Day. Holla at your boy, beat it up in the comments and let me know. But hit that like button and smash the subscribe button. And while you're at it, go ahead and click the bell so you're notified every single time I post new content to the channel. But until next time, I'll catch you guys in the next video.